How to quickly print a cylindrical thermos cup. First, fix the cup, import the designed pattern into the computer, and print it with one click. Try Sublistar's new 360-degree high-speed rotating UV printer. It is equipped with 3 Epson i1600 print heads, supports 360-degree seamless high-definition printing, and the resolution is up to 2880 dpi. Printing finished, only need to wait for 1-2 minutes. Gently take out the cup, you will get a satisfying customized thermos cup. If you are looking for this kind bottle printing machine, please leave your message below.